नमस्ते अंकल।
अंजी नमस्ते बेटा। मैथ्स पसंद है? इंजीनियरिंग कर लो, बहुत स्कोप है। शर्मा जी के बेटे की भी इतनी अच्छी पैकेज लग गया ना, मैथ्स वाले के लिए इंजीनियरिंग बेस्ट है। कर लो।
फेवरेट तो मैथ्स ही है, उसी में अच्छे मार्क्स भी आते हैं। मतलब मैं मैथ्स में अच्छा भी हूँ, पर अभी सोच ही रहा हूँ कि क्या करूँ। अभी पूरी तरह सोचा तो नहीं है। इंजीनियरिंग इंजीनियरिंग मुझे नहीं करनी। इंजीनियरिंग नहीं पसंद, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री, मुझे सिर्फ मैथ्स पसंद है। पर ये अंकल को कैसे समझाऊँ? हर कोई यही बोलता है। और क्या मुझे भी मेरे सपनों का कॉलेज मिलेगा क्या?
जिसे ढूंढता हूँ मैं हर कहीं, जो कभी मिली मुझे है नहीं मुझे।
Hello everyone, I am Ishan Agarwal, a student of Rotary Public School, Sector 22 Gurgaon and an intern at EduTree Foundation. इसको ही नहीं, आप सबको मिलेगा अपने सपनों का कॉलेज। Welcome to ISI, Indian Statistical Institute, a unique institute developed for research, teaching and applications of statistics, natural sciences and social sciences by P.C. Mahanabolis, the great mathematician, statistician and professor in 1939. It acquired its status of Institute of National Importance in year 1951 by an act of parliament. And its main headquarters is located in Kolkata, while other centers are Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, and Tezpur. Bachelor's of Statistics from ISI Kolkata is the best course for you, as it, along with acquiring you with knowledge of computer science, mathematics, and statistics, it allows you to go on for a great academic career in the institutes of India like IITs, or as well as abroad, likes of Oxford, Harvard, etc. Along with it, it also offers a great professional career, and its main recruiter are likes of Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, etc. The course is divided into 3 years and 6 semesters. Each semester have 5 courses of 1 credit each, with 3 elective courses of natural sciences and social sciences, along with a compulsory course of remedial English. Also, there are many facilities provided by on the campus like sports facilities, extracurricular activities, library, hostels, and computer labs. Now you all must be thinking that ये तो बड़ा महंगा सा कोर्स होगा, बहुत पैसे लगेंगे, but actually you are wrong my friend, because you are paid for studying here. Yes, you heard it right. आपको अपनी तरफ से 1 रुपया भी नहीं देना, बल्कि आपको 3000 मंथली स्टाइपेंड मिलेगा। यस, 3000 रुपीज मंथली। और बस आपको हॉस्टल फीस और लाइब्रेरी फीस डिपॉजिट जो कि रिफंडेबल है वो देने होंगे, और आपको मेस का खर्चा खुद से देना होगा। बाकी सब फ्री फ्री फ्री। नाउ यू ऑल मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि ये सब तो ठीक है, जस्ट नहीं चीज है, पैसा पैकेजेस बताओ ना। सो द हाईएस्ट पैकेज फॉर द लास्ट ईयर वाज 56 lakhs, yes, and the average package was 22 lakhs. Addressing to all of your curiosities, I am here to tell you about the admission procedure. So basically, till last year, there was an interview as well conducted by ISI. But from this year, ISI decided that they would only conduct 2 rounds, that is UGA and UGB. UGA consists of 30 MCQ questions to be answered in 2 hours with a plus 4 for correct answer, 0 for incorrect answer, and 1 mark, yes, 1 mark for unanswered question. Don't you think that's a brilliant marking scheme? And the second round consists of UGB, that is subjective questions, 8 subjective questions to be answered in 2 hours again. Generally, every year, the portal for registration is open from March to April, and the actual date of examination is somewhere around May. So keep your eyes on the official website for all these types of details. Also, you may refer a book called Test of Mathematics at the 10+2 level, popularly known as Tomato, published by ISI for the preparations of UGA as well as UGB examination. Along with the alumni network of likes of Nina Gupta, mathematician, Subramanyam Swamy, politician, it is always a win-win situation to join such a course that addresses your carving for mathematics and numbers, along with providing you a promising professional as well as academic career. For more details, you may also visit the above website. Thank you.